Welcome to the 10-year series app. In today's section, I'll be covering on the notes. So what I'll be focusing on three things: how you can get help, how you can earn, as well as how you can give help. How you can get help. So you search by level subject and then you can download the notes that you want. So how can you earn? So you can earn by uploading your notes. Give it a title. So the title should be something easy to understand. After that, you can input the level subject, select hard copy, attach a photo of how your notes will look like, and then click upload. So do note that you can only get money for hard copies as it will be between you and the buyer. For digital copies, you will be helping the world but you will not be paid. Think of it as charity. For students, especially if your exam is ending, you can think of it as clearing the space and also earning side income. How can you give help? So you can actually give help by uploading your notes or annotated material, whether is it hard copy or digital. So after uploading, remember to tag by level and subject so that people will be able to search for it easier. Regarding the uploading of material, we would suggest for you to upload either by chapter and also by the whole document. So this actually provides flexibility to the user who downloads your notes. So the same principle will also apply to the sale or the upload of the physical notes. We sincerely look forward to having you on board. So if you do have any questions or you're looking for any partnerships, you can write to us at admin@holdtheholding.com, or you can leave a comment at the forum section and our developers will get back to you.